Okay, so in this question, we have to figure out each measure of center, each except for the median. We need to find the mean, the mode, and the mid-range. A good review of all the measures of center, except for the median. And the data given to us in the frequency table. So we know that this first column is the actual data value. Second column tells us how often we see it in our set. So if I were to write my data set out, I would have 14 occurring once, then I have 3 15s. This 15 has a frequency of 3, and then 4 16 values, 4 values of 16, and 3 values of 17. Oh, and 9 values of 18. Quite a few. And so that's another reason why we tend to use that shortcut when we find the means. The shortcut, finding the mean in this case, go as follows. Now you can always, just list out the values and add them up as you see them, but a shortcut would be to take the value multiplied by its frequency. 15 times 3 is 45. 16 times 4 is 46. 4. 17 times 3 is 51. Finally, 18 times 9 is 162. So what these numbers do, they basically give you those partial sums. So if I were to add 18 times 18 plus 18 plus 18 9 times, I would get 162. And now I'm going to add up all the partial sums. So 14 plus 45 plus 4, 1, 2. So that gives me the sum of 336. And now I'm going to divide by the total frequency. Total frequency is 1 plus 3 plus 4, 3. Yeah. All right. Okay, when I do that, that gives me a mean of 16.8. Okay. All right, now the mode. So going back to our data set. So the mode is the most frequently occurring value. And of course, find the mode by looking at the highest frequency. So value of 18 is the mode because it occurs the most. It occurs 9 times while everything else occurs less than that. So 18 is your mode. Then finally, the mid-range. For the mid-range, you always take the first value, take the last value, if they're arranged. So in other words, smallest value and the highest value, add them up and divide them by 2, essentially just averaging them out. That's 16. So our three answers are 16.8 for the mean, 18 for the mode, and 16 for the mid-range. Okay.